Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? What's up, my people? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now, today I'm going to bring you something I'm very excited about. But before I do, I want to say hello to all my subscribers, viewers. Okay. And without a doubt, I want to thank you for being here. So, you're very special to me. So I appreciate that. So, something I need to talk to you about. First of all, I'll make it quick. YouTube is my hobby. It is not my job. It is not connected to some external business I have or anything like that. It's something I do as a hobby. Okay. I like to entertain and help people. And I hope it and enlighten. So I hope this does this for you. Okay. Now, you know, if you know me and been around my channel, I like to talk about consoles with those classic games on them. Okay. But this is going to be a little bit different. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of a console with classic games. But guess what? It's Wi-Fi. That's right. So, no cord. And you connect it to your, what you call it, TV. All right. And enjoy it. And it's really compact, efficient, and I liked it. Now, here it is. Okay. It comes with two controllers. I'm going to let you see the front. You can see the front. I'm going to let you see the back. See that? Yep. Very nice. And I'm going to unbox it for you. Very lightweight, which is good. And remember, I know I hate to bring it up. Now, I got this off of eBay. 15 bucks. That's it. Nice, huh? Got this off of eBay. And you hate to bring this up, as I was saying. But you know, Christmas is around the corner. And if you got some young kids, especially if you're low income and you know you can't afford no PS5 or 4, but you want to keep them entertained, temporary babysitter, you know what I mean? Not bad. Now, this particular item, we're going to unbox it. Okay. Of course, you know, it comes with the manual. There you go. See the inside? I like the way they pack this. Well packed. Nice and packed. Now, here's the cool thing about it. This is your console and your Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Right here. Got to take off the protector here. And you can plug that into a HDMI port. Okay. Now, give you a look at that. See, I got it upside down. Okay, give you a look at that. Now, if you have like an older television or you just don't have an HDMI port, you can buy one super cheap, even get it the next day off of Amazon, okay? And that's what a lot of people don't know. You can buy a HDMI adapter. That's what it's called, okay? And it could plug into, you have some that plugs into a USB port, or you have some that are really, really complex, not expensive, okay? And they can really transform your television into giving it the access of HDMI, that HDMI port that you need so much these days for a lot of different equipment. Okay, let me see. Yeah. See if you can see that. Yeah. Take this This is the controller. You get two of them. Take this out. I actually never played with controllers before. I usually keyboard and mouse person, but you know, see that? They got buttons here, and then boom. Very nice, huh? Yeah. Even those don't get perverted. Now, also, wait, there's more. Got the port, HDMI. Very nice. And charger. Right there, USB plus that. And this. They even give you that. The Wi-Fi connector. Go in the any USB right there. I believe that's Wi-Fi. Not Bluetooth. I believe that is Wi-Fi. Show you this again. Put this down here. This goes into your TV. There you go. No strings attached, literally. So you can play. And you and a friend. And this, like I said, is your console. It has all the games on it. And they said it has something like 10,000 classic games on it. So that's not bad. And some very popular and rare ones too. Okay. And yes, like I said, it does come with a manual. So you got that. All right. So that was my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for being here. And I hope to have more videos to come for you. Now, also remember, whether you're homeless or a trillionaire, you are a star. Okay? Stay blessed out there, and I shall wrap to y'all later. Peace.